Hello, my name is Veronica and welcome to the Learning Lab episode number 95 and to a little series that I want to do called Learning Lab Shorts. And these are designed to be between 4 and 5 minutes in length and just to share a really quick and fun technique with you, not necessarily a finished project. So come on into the lab and let's get started with this short video. So what you see in front of you are some products that I love playing around with, and my newest fave is this golden gel medium, and it's the light molding paste. I like this because once it gets on my card, it is so lightweight that going through the mail is no problem. So we're going to play around with this and using my favorite Crafters Workshop templates. I shared those in one of my haul videos. And then for my substrate for the molding paste, you can use watercolor paper, and the heavier it is, of course, the better. Just plain heavyweight white cardstock would be great. This is some glossy paper in an A2 size, and this is glossy paper. I think this is 5 by 7. Also, some of the black glossy cardstock from Judikins. And now, this is like my favorite to use. This piece is a pretty flimsier piece of cardstock, but it was cut from some Fiskars paper that I had, and it'll work. Just know that your medium is going to really be absorbed into this paper because it's pretty porous. Now on the other hand, this one is cut from the Recollections card. It's a little stiffer, a little firmer, and not quite as absorbent as the Fiskars paper. Okay, what I want to do is show you how I lay down my molding paste, and I use that by simply using an old credit card. Okay, so just coming in a little bit and just kind of deciding where I want my butterflies to lie. Another thing is I'm using my blue painter's tape to hold my mask in place. Now this modeling paste has the texture of frosting. So I'm just using a plastic knife, putting down some, and we'll start spreading it out using the credit card. Now, due to the technique that I'm going to use on this one, I'm bringing in some of my Martha Stewart glittering glue because I want to adorn these beautiful little butterflies with some glitter. Now you want to immediately get this into some water. I have a wet wipe line right here that I'm going to put that onto face down and then cover that also with a damp paper towel just to keep it moist until I can get that clean. Isn't that awesome? So now it's ready for my micro beads. If I said glitter before, I mean micro beads. I'm just going to use my credit card to scrape that off and bring in my micro beads. Now I just have a variety of some of the Martha Stewart micro beads and then one of glitter that I think I'll try to sprinkle a few places. So I'm just going to get started playing. And there is our finished product. Don't know what's going through your head right now, but as for me, I am just thinking fabulosity. This is stunning. Has just the right amount of texture, nice and low profile, but depth to give it some oomph to it. Once this is totally dry, if I need to, I will go in with a dry brush and remove any loose flakes or specks or beads and tie a ribbon on, put a greeting, beautiful tag. As always, thank you for joining me in the lab today, and especially for this Learning Lab short. Please remember to check out my blog at inkollusions.blogspot.com. Until then.